Welcome to Chelsea Village.
Welcome to Chelsea Village.
Welcome to Chelsea Village.
Welcome to Chelsea Village, Mogadishu, Somalia.
The safest place to stay in Mogadishu.
Enjoy your stay.
Right now we're in Mogadishu, Somalia, on the Horn of Africa and one of the most remote, wildest, and at times very unstable parts of the world.
Chelsea Village is a secure compound established within the secure perimeter, that is MIA, that's Mogadishu International Airport Zone.
We like to call it your home in the heart of MIA.
We have an armed guard force here, we have overhead protection on all the accommodation, plus pre-detonation standoff screens as well. We conform to mosque compliance standards. Those are the standards set down by the UN.
What makes Chelsea Village so great is that depth of the Chelsea Group worldwide. What we've been able to do is take the talents and skills from many of our companies within the group and apply them into one camp.
I've seen tremendous benefits from Chelsea Village being part of the Chelsea Group. We're continually told that our rooms are the best. They love our beds, the size of the beds, the quality of the mattress, the fact that fresh potable water is coming out of the taps. I haven't come across a camp so beautifully designed with a real designer's touch to it.
The task that I was given at Chelsea Village was to create a home away from home so people could really enjoy their stay here and to really have somewhere lovely that they can relax in when they're not working.
Very quickly we did have a requirement to provide office space to one of our leading clients, and what we did was convert 40-foot seat containers to a very, very high standard. It's an additional service, but it ties in with our ethos of not turning customers away, and we'll be able to offer clients workspace on Chelsea Village or indeed outside of Chelsea Village.
We've been able to deliver what we think is a very high quality project which has been successful and is still evolving, and it is shown that the strength of our group and our expertise is second to none.
Without doubt, Chelsea Village has got a superb reputation. I'm told repeatedly by people I encounter that they've heard nothing but good news, particularly the standard of accommodation and the quality of food.
Makes me proud when I see people especially guests, they are feeling happy with the food. I see their face when they are happy eating with an empty plate. I feel is more proud.
At times when I'm here, you drift off and you don't realise that you're in Somalia, thanks to the people and the quality of the service they provide.
Welcome